Okay, let's move on to the specifics of PDCA and discuss each phase in turn. Now, to start the process, we first plan the improvement by clearly and objectively stating the problem while also giving some background and context so that everyone involved gains a common understanding of the issue. Now, we also work to identify root causes using tools like 5 Why analysis as well as tools like brainstorming to develop potential countermeasures that can be implemented during the do phase. Now, another key aspect of the plan phase is to identify what our target condition is while developing an action plan detailing, at a minimum, who will do the action, what the action is, and when it'll be done. In other words, we need to determine how we want things to look and what we need to do to get there. Now, one last note about the plan phase. Contrary to what some think, the planning phase is not linear. In fact, one could even say that there are actually multiple PDCA loops within the P phase itself as we work to define a strong problem statement, a target, identify root causes, and develop multiple countermeasures. An open coil spring is often used to explain this. Now imagine each loop of the spring becoming a single cycle of PDCA, meaning with each complete PDCA cycle, our knowledge and awareness of what the problem truly is increases. In other words, we start at the top of the spring with little to no understanding, and then finally, after several cycles, we have a much better understanding of what's happening and what to do about it. Now after the plan phase, we arrive at do, which has us following the scientific method to test the hypotheses. Now to do this, we change things, and if the change isn't good, we change it again until it's better. Now some actually call this try-storming. Now an important point to remember during this phase is rather than waiting for one perfect solution, we should try many small things that can be done quickly. And just like the plan phase, there will also be several mini versions of PDCA within the do phase. In other words, we'll try things and learn while following that up with trying again and learning more. And after several iterations of this, we'll have been able to make a positive impact on the business. Finally, during the do phase, we want to gather data based on direct observation of the experiment. In other words, we must go to the Gemba, or the place the work is done, in order to actually see what's going on with our own eyes.